Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Well, if you remember, if you've seen some of my previous videos here, a couple weeks ago I talked about the bucket cylinder on the Kioti break-in. Well, I just got it back from the hydraulic repair shop and I'm going to put it back on. So there's the cylinder and there's where it goes. So let's get at it here. All right, fortunately he didn't have to take the fittings out, so they're still set to the proper angle. So all I just need to do is to get it hooked up with the hydraulic hoses to it, and then I can work on extending the cylinder here out. Alright, so these pins I'm putting in have zert fittings in them on the side opposite from where the retaining bolt goes through. It's got a nylock nut on it here. Yeah, wrench is always tough when you give it that final push. So all that tightening did was just tighten up the pin. This is where it's loose on the pin here. Alright, so let's get the wrenches here. I just went up there and wiggled the joystick for the bucket to release all the pressure off of it. Alright, so hoses are on, upper pin is on. Now I just got to get this out here so I can put the lower pin on, clean up these fittings here. Now when messing with hydraulic fittings, I always clean them before I put them away, before I continue my work here. That way I don't wind up with a bunch of boo-boo-goos later on, especially since this fitting has a bunch of hydraulic oil in it. So I'm just going to screw it right into the cap, and that way it stays contained. It doesn't leak everywhere. So I put a little cinch on the fitting. There we go. That one's tight. That one's tight. All right, now there's several ways of doing this next part. If I had someone here with me, I'd just put a big screwdriver in there and have them wiggle the joystick, and I could just, bleed it off. But as it is, it ain't gonna do that. So love tapping. I've driven it a little bit past so I can actually see the where the pin is, I mean the hole in the pin is. And it needs to be rotated a little bit here. Alrighty, there it is. It's all done. Now I can get to work and get some real dirt work done. Uh-oh. We got a grandson hiding in the bushes right there. Yeah, that's an Aiden. Can Aiden wave? Nope, Aiden's not going to wave. Alrighty, so that's done, and I can go back and get some work done. And today's Monday, so I got 7 days to get the work done before the concrete guys show up here, and so I'm going to be getting at it. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be videoing because it's hot, and I want to spend as little time outside as possible. All right, so I'll see you around. Take care.